Alright, so today I'm going to talk about traditional learning versus online learning. So if I say, actually, if you want to learn English, you have to learn kind of somewhere. You have to go to step by step for learning English. So this today I want to discuss with you kind of about the online learning versus traditional learning system. So if I say, if you first of all, if you want to learn English, you have to find first of all way how can I learn English. And you can learn English uh, try a traditional way. This you have to first of all communication with real people, and you have to reading book, you have to writing something every day. Then you will be gonna traditional way learn process. This calls traditional system. And if you want to learn from online, you can easily conversation with international people like United States or United Kingdom, and our nearby countries, or our nearby people, whatever else. You can talk with them in online. Then you can watch lots of foreigners people. Yeah, they make videos very well. You can learn from them. This is actually online process. And you can learn reading. You can learn shadowing practice, a lot of things over there. Yeah, there are a lot of things in online. You can learn easily from online. So those kind of thing, if you follow, like if you learn kind of online, you will be get a lots of way. Then you can learn very easily, and you can speak very fastly. Actually, from wherever else he stay, it doesn't matter where are you living. It doesn't matter where to live. It doesn't matter. You can conversation with them very easily from online. Yeah, this is a very easy way to connect with them. And on the other hand, you can listen a lots of videos from online, like YouTube. Yeah, you can watch a lots of videos from online, YouTube, Facebook, and etc platform. Yes. And if I say, we first of all learned, like for example, we are learned, actually we are Bengali. We say speak Bengali. How did I learn English? Actually, I learn English from here. First of all, I listened a lot from my around people when I learned Bengali language. Then I slowly catch them. I slowly caught their talk. Then today I speak Bengali fluently. But if I say, how can you learn English, same process. If you apply in your life to learn English, you can. How is possible? It is possible. Actually, we don't live our around no English environment. Our around only Bengali people. Bengali is actually our around, everybody say Bangla talk. So that's why we should listen to English videos from online, like YouTube. So it's gonna be very easy way to online if you want to learn English. And if you live around people say Bangla, sorry, if around people say English, then you can learn from them. But you would around, if only Bengali or any language, if you want to learn English, but you would around maybe English, Arabic, or Tamil, Urdu, whatever else. But if you want to learn English, if you say how is possible, I would say it's possible. You have to listen first of all a lot. Then you have to speak with real people. Like you can learn from, you can speak with online, from online, and you can speak with offline with people, actually traditional way you can learn it. So if you say how can possible to speak or learn English, I will say there are two way is possible, but I am searching for you. First of all, guys, it's gonna be very easy way from online, because online is right now online very helpful for us. So this why I'm suggesting for you, online is best platform, best lands platform. Yeah. So yeah, it's actually thing. So if you want to learn English, you can try two methods, traditional or online. You have to right now you can how will you learn English, you know. So thanks for listening.